If you want to make a collage in Adobe Lightroom, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to build a collage in Lightroom Classic using the print module and turn it into a single image you can save and share. Lightroom doesn't have a big one-click collage button like some design apps, but with the right setup, you can still create a clean, professional-looking layout in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tips. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Lightroom Classic on your desktop. This method works best in Lightroom Classic because it gives you more control over the layout and lets you export your collage as a JPEG file. Once Lightroom opens, go to the Library module and select the photos you want to include in your collage. You can click individual images while holding Control on Windows or Command on Mac, or you can select a full group if they belong together. Try to choose photos that work well visually because the collage will look better when the colors, subjects, and framing feel balanced. After selecting your images, go to the top right and click Print. This takes you into the Print module where you can create your collage layout. On the right-hand panel, look for Layout Style and choose Custom Package. This is the key setting that gives you the freedom to place multiple photo boxes exactly where you want them instead of using a standard print layout. Now it's time to build your collage. Scroll down to the Cells panel. Here, you can click on preset sizes like 4x5 or 2x3 to add empty photo boxes to your canvas. Each cell becomes a space where one of your images will go. If you want a simple, clean collage, start with a few evenly sized boxes. If you want something more creative, mix different sizes to create a more dynamic layout. Once the cells are on the page, drag your photos from the film strip at the bottom into those boxes. Lightroom will place each image into a cell, and you can move things around until the layout feels right. You can also resize and reposition the boxes to fine-tune the design. If you want a little breathing room between photos, adjust the spacing so the collage doesn't feel too crowded. If you want a more modern look, try using consistent margins and a balanced grid. Take your time here and make sure everything lines up the way you want. This is where you can get creative and make the collage feel unique. You can make it symmetrical for a polished look or intentionally vary the structure for a more artistic style. The great thing about Lightroom Classic is that you're not just limited to one template. You can customize the entire layout to fit your photos. When your collage is ready, scroll down to the Print Job panel in the bottom right. This is the final export step. Under Print To, change the setting from Printer to JPEG file. That tells Lightroom that you want to save the collage as an image instead of setting it to a printer. Then click Print to File and choose where you want to save it on your computer. Lightroom will generate the collage as a single JPEG file that you can upload, share, or use anywhere you want. And that's it. You've just made a collage in Adobe Lightroom Classic. It's a simple workaround, but once you know where to find the print module, it becomes a really useful way to combine multiple photos into one clean image. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.